If money feels like a constant source of stress in your life, this video is not just content, it is a turning point. Right now, millions of hardworking people wake up every morning doing everything right, yet still feel trapped financially. Not because they are lazy, not because they are bad with money, but because no one ever taught them financial literacy. This channel exists for one reason only: to help you take control of your money, your debt, and your future. When you subscribe, you are not just subscribing to videos. You are choosing a smarter money life, one decision at a time. And today, you are going to learn the exact 7-step roadmap to becoming debt-free, even if you are living paycheck to paycheck right now. Let me ask you something important. Have you ever checked your bank balance and felt your stomach drop? Have you ever promised yourself that next month will be better, only to end up in the same place again? Have you ever felt ashamed talking about money, even though you work hard every single day? Here is the truth no one says out loud. Living paycheck to paycheck is not a character flaw. It is a system problem. A system designed to keep people busy, stressed, and dependent on debt. And the reason debt feels impossible to escape is because most people try to fix it backwards. They try to save first. They try to invest first. They try to hustle harder, but they never fix the foundation. This video is not about motivation. It is about a clear, realistic roadmap that real people use to break free from debt permanently. Stay until the end, because step 7 is what separates people who try from people who actually succeed. Step 1. Face the numbers without fear. Debt grows in silence. Freedom begins with clarity. The first step is not paying anything off. The first step is seeing everything clearly. Write down every debt you owe, the interest rate, the minimum payment, and the total balance. Not in your head. Not in an app you never open, on paper. Most people avoid this step because it feels painful. But avoiding numbers is what keeps people broke. When you see the full picture, fear starts to lose its power. Step 2. Stop the bleeding first. Before you pay off debt, you must stop creating new debt. This means no new credit card spending, no emotional purchases, and no pretending small expenses do not matter. You cannot drain a boat while water is still leaking in. This step alone gives most people instant relief because for the first time, the damage stops growing. Step 3. Build a micro-emergency buffer. Many people stay in debt because life keeps happening. A flat tire, a medical bill, a sudden expense. You do not need a huge emergency fund right now. You need a small buffer, even $500. This one step prevents you from running back to credit cards every time life surprises you. This is not about comfort. It is about protection. Step 4. Choose a debt strategy that fits human behavior. Debt payoff is emotional, not mathematical. You have 3 proven options: the snowball method for motivation, the avalanche method for saving interest, or a hybrid method for balance. The best method is the one you can stick to when motivation disappears. Consistency beats perfection every time. Step 5. Redesign your lifestyle without feeling deprived. Most budgets fail because they feel like punishment. Instead of cutting everything, redesign your spending. Remove what adds no value. Keep what supports your mental health, and replace expensive habits with intentional ones. Debt freedom should feel empowering, not miserable. This is how people stay consistent long enough to win. Step 6. Increase income strategically, not desperately. Working harder is not always the answer. Working smarter is. Look for skills you can monetize, small side income streams, and opportunities that scale over time. Even an extra small monthly income can cut years off your debt timeline. Debt freedom accelerates when income and discipline grow together. And finally, step 7. Lock in a new money identity. This is the step most people skip. Debt freedom is not just about numbers, it is about identity. You must start seeing yourself as a person who plans, a person who delays gratification, a person who controls money instead of fearing it. When your identity changes, your behavior becomes automatic. This is where debt stops being your story forever. If this video helped you feel understood, informed, or even slightly hopeful, take 1 second and hit the like button. It tells the algorithm that financial literacy matters. Subscribe to this channel if you want practical money education that actually applies to real life, not unrealistic advice. Turn on the bell icon, because the next videos will show you how to stay debt-free permanently, build wealth step by step, and finally break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Share this video with someone who is silently struggling with money. You might change their future. Remember this: debt freedom is not for the lucky. It is for the informed. And now you are informed.